ikintu natangira ku abafana bihangane ntago bimeze neza. Umufana ahava hose abashaka intsinzi, ntago abashaka draw, ntago abashaka intsinzi. Ariko icyo navuga muri football nyine igira ibyayo, ariko twihanganire natwe nk'abakinnyi inshingano zacu tugiye gupushinga kugira ngo turebe ko twabagarura muri mood, kandi natwe tugaruke muri mood nziza kugira ngo turebe ko twatsinda match bose.
Because of the history and how the game is taken here. So I'm looking forward to featuring in the game.
How did you find the level of Yurwanda Premier League so far? Because you're new in this league, you have played a couple of games. How did you find the level of the league comparing to Uganda's league?
Compared to Uganda league, it's a bit more professional. Like each team is competitive. Actually, the level is high. I'm so happy.
Do you know anything about the Lion sport that you are going to face?
What I know about Lion sport is like it's our biggest opponent here.